everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, we're diving into something a little different, but seriously exciting, the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or dreaming of full-time van life, this motorhome is built to turn the road into your home. The 2025 Isuzu Motorhome is built on Isuzu's trusted N-Series chassis, a platform known for its durability and commercial-grade performance. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine pushing out 215 horsepower and 452 lb-ft of torque. That means you're getting solid pulling power, even when fully loaded, plus better fuel efficiency than many gasoline counterparts. From the outside, the motorhome combines rugged utility with modern styling. You've got a reinforced aluminum body for weight savings and corrosion resistance, full LED lighting for improved visibility, and large panoramic windows that make a huge difference on the road or at a campsite. It's 24 feet long, about 8 feet wide, and still manages to feel nimble thanks to its responsive steering and rear-view camera system. Isuzu's updated suspension tech helps smooth out rougher roads too. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a smartly designed living space that maximizes comfort without wasting an inch. The layout includes a convertible dinette, a queen-sized memory foam bed, and a surprisingly roomy wet bath with a water-saving shower system. There's also a compact but fully equipped kitchen, 2-burner induction cooktop, microwave, sink, and a 12V fridge with a decent-sized freezer. The tech on board is what really sets this motorhome apart. A digital command center lets you monitor water levels, battery status, and temperature. Standard features include a 400W rooftop solar array, a 3000W inverter, and dual lithium-ion battery packs, perfect for off-grid adventures. You also get a 16-foot electric awning with LED lighting, external speakers, and loads of underfloor storage. And yes, Wi-Fi booster and satellite TV are available for those of you who can't totally unplug. In terms of comfort and usability, Isuzu's done a great job balancing form and function. The insulation is top-notch, the AC and furnace are whisper-quiet, and there's even a smart climate control system that learns your preferences over time. Pricing starts around $139,000, depending on your trim level and customization. For the performance, tech, and build quality you're getting, it's a competitive offer in the growing Class C motorhome segment. Final thoughts. The 2025 Isuzu Motorhome is a powerhouse on wheels. It's smart, strong, and stylish, and it's clearly built for the long haul. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, this one's worth a serious look. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments, would you live full-time in the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome?